Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Olda Zulfiana. I would like to present about my thesis proposal, and the title is The Use of Jargon Terms in Pizza Hut Restaurant Menu. Okay, next, in the first slide, I will give you information about background of the study. In essence, humans were created by God as social beings who interact with people, animals, or perhaps plants with different treatment. As a life that has good moral, and whenever we have to communicate either at home, school, or in the office, because communication is one of the most basic and important element in human life. According to Yule 2010, sociolinguistics is generally used to examine the relationship between language and society. This process cannot be spared by language with regard to language as a means of communication is socializing language is very perceptive. The variety of language as a branch of sociolinguistic use in this situation is called jargon. The jargon is applied in some life and some jobs such as hospitality, marketing, architecture, in the medical world such as acute, a condition that comes on suddenly. Okay, next, based on the problem this research is intended to observe the use of jargon terms in Pizza Hut restaurant menu. Number 1, what jargon words are found in Pizza Hut restaurant menu? In this case, the author will record the words contained on the menu at Pizza Hut. Number 2, what are the meaning of jargon words in Pizza Hut restaurant menu? The author will explain one by one the meaning of the jargon term found on the menu at Pizza Hut. Okay, next, scope and limitation. The scope of this research is about sociolinguistics, which is studies the purpose and meaning of language function in society. And it focuses more on the jargon term used in the Pizza Hut restaurant menu, which is focused on analyzing the form and meaning of the jargon contained in the restaurant menu. The limitation in this study only focus on the jargon term used on the Pizza Hut restaurant menu. Based on the statement problem about the goal of study, number 1, to classify jargon words in Pizza Hut restaurant menu. Number 2, to explain the meaning words of jargon in the Pizza Hut restaurant menu. There are several functions of this research. Number 1, to share information about sociolinguistic studies, especially about jargon in food to readers. Number 2, to improve different knowledge and writing skill about jargon in sociolinguistic studies. Number 3, become a reference for other students who are interested in analyzing jargon words in other community. In this part, I will give you information about related studies. Related studies that have been previously carried out by many undergraduate students are used to show the similarities and differences between their studies and their thesis. After knowing related studies, the author will explain a little that is in the review of literature such as sociolinguistics. Sociolinguistics of language is also a coherent communication tool. Without a language, it will be difficult to understand what other people want used to understand. That's why language is so important, because people can interact with each other without using language. Next, language variation. Wardow 1998 finds in speech community, people who use language as means of communication in their community are remarkably varied. No one speaks the same way all the time, and people constantly exploit the nuances of the language they speak for a wide variety purpose. In this case, how do people use language according to the style they want, but still in an understanding of each other that can reach their respective goals. Next is jargon. Jargon is words that have special meaning and are used at certain times. Usually, jargon is often used in community that immediately know the meaning of the word jargon. In social terms, the jargon helps to create and maintain connection among those who see themselves as insider in some way and includes outsider. It is often take place inside a register. Jargon is a variation of the language which contains technical terms. Jargon can also be interpreted as a word for people whose profession or hobby often have their own jargon. The use of jargon can strengthen relationships in work or work group or hobby. Next is the meaning of jargon. The meaning of the jargon itself is special word or expression that is used by certain profession or group and is difficult for others to understand. Meaning can be divided into two elements such as lexical and grammatical meaning. Lexical meaning is the meaning given to linguistic element. Grammatical meaning is the meaning of occurring patterns in language. Okay, in the next is form of the jargon. According to Halligan 2004, there are four forms of jargon. They are word, phrase, abbreviation, and acronym. The definition of word are the small unit of language and have a very important element. Language element that can be spoken or written. The other form, phrase, is a linguistic unit that is bigger than words and smaller than clause and sentence. The next form is abbreviation, is defined as shortening or abbreviating on one or two words which are still pronounced in the same way even if they are written as abbreviation. And the last is acronym, is an expression or words that are shortened. The next is function jargon. Function jargon also provides a means of marking within the group of speakers from a subgroup and excluding outsider. People on the outside can no longer understand word of terms that are pronounced using jargon. Jargon can be said to be an untaught language, even though its meaning is not easy for everyone to implement. Therefore, many people do not understand the meaning of the jargon. After reviewing the literature in this proposal, there are also theoretical framework. In the study, the author took a theory of Richard and Smith 2002. They are called jargon as spoken or written words and expressions used by a group of people belonging to a trade, profession, or other group that is bound together by mutual concern. In addition, the reader will find word class and jargon function associated material. A jargon that has a set of words and expression which may not be implemented by outsiders. Okay, in the next part is research methodology. Study approach. In the study use qualitative method because in the study the author will collect data descriptively with the process and meaning that is more highlight the theoretical basis in use as a guide so that the research focus in accordance with the facts and the ground. The next is data source. The object data in the study were taken from the internet, which is served a menu at the Pizza Hut restaurant and visit directly at the restaurant. This give rise to many terms that some people don't know about on the menu at Pizza Hut restaurant. Next is collecting data. The author collecting data is number one. The author research for jargon term found on the Pizza Hut restaurant menu through the Pizza Hut website, social media, journals, and the internet. Number two, the author write the data in the book and then identifies the data jargon term in several parts. Data analysis method. The author reading and studying data about jargon, making keyword in the jargon and idea in the data. Number two, classify terms from jargon. Number three, analyzing jargon terms based on their form, systematically and also the meaning of jargon term using selected theories. Okay, that's all. I hope you understand what I say. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.